Hey, hello everybody. This is the little video to go with the collage taster kit that's yellow based. Yellow, of course you still get other colours in it as well, or else it would look rather yellow. And it's 12 sheets in this one, and what can I say? Yeah, just birds and flowers. It's the same sort of thing as all the others, and I've done one main sheet, one of the ephemera backgrounds, and I've also done one of the bonus sheets. So turn that around. That's the other one. There's 4 main ones like this. Like I say, they're only taster kits, so I'm into birds at the moment. Really like this one actually. There. You know, some of these are like scans in from some of my own stuff, so there's always like discrepancies on them, and you know, this is just way of it really. That turned out really nice, and that's that one. And then you get your 4, I think it's 4 sheets of tone on tone. It worked well with the kit, so there's 1, 2, 3, and then there's 4. Okay, and that's the main part of the kit there. Right, so like I say, it's only a quick video to go up on Etsy, and I hope you like it. It was requested, so I thought I would do it for you. Okay, thank you very much then, and I'll speak to you all later. Bye.